Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the error 1101 for your Sonos. So it means that your product can reach the Sonos servers to check for updates. Now what you can try to do first, and this is what I encourage you to do, first factory reset your Sonos. So maybe you have to unplug the power cord, press and hold the Bluetooth button while reconnecting the power cord. This is the first thing. Or for the Sonos Roam 2, just like search for Sonos product you do have reset on YouTube, and it's going to share with you like the way how you can reset it. This is the first thing that you can try. The second thing, when you're gonna have it on the app, uninstall the app. This is the second thing. The third thing, you want to also factory reset or like reset your modem, your Wi-Fi. So when you're gonna have your modem, also check out, this is something that I heard from people, is that when they had issues, they had to also like unplug PS5. If you have something connected to your modem through Ethernet cable, your router, try to take it out and just like turn off the router, then turn it back on, and maybe it's going to like fix it for you. And then yes, uninstall the Sonos app and install it again. Maybe it's going to work. I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video actually helped you at least a little bit. Goodbye.